How to find Chase credit card number on Chase app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to install Chase application if you have not yet. Once installed, tap on Open and log in into your account using your Chase credential. Once you are into your Chase application, to check out your card number, firstly, you need to tap on the profile icon, which is at the very top. To navigate to the desired credit card account, look for a section labeled Statement and Document or something similar. Access to your most recent statement, where you'll be able to find your full credit card number. This is because Chase app prioritizes security and won't display the full 16-digit credit card number. However, you can check it out in your statement and documents. If not, use the physical card to check out your card number, which will be located on the front side. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative to you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more.